boy. Everybody! Get your helmet! Guard your children. Steve?
What?
You're on camera. It's not disappointed. Come on, do some of that fancy stuff.
You can't do it.
Oh, come on.
How's that?
That's better.
You can't take it. You want to see it come up. All my planes have been coming apart.
You got to use more glue.
That's the problem. It's all glue.
He's back!
I don't want to hit the heli.
Oh, sorry, Jim.
Whoa!
Oh, I hear Mike over there.
Is that Mike over there?
Yeah.
Hey, I warned you, get your
I'll
helmet.
stay here. I'll stay here.
I warned you, get your helmet.
Get your water bottle, Mike.
Get your water bottle out. You got JC's attention.
Oh, it sounded like it almost tore apart.
The problem is the landing.
Mike, take him out.
It wasn't me. Y'all scared the shit out of Raul down there.
No, but take him out.
Right over it.
Nice.
Steve.
Great job, Steve-O.
Better than you.
Killing the landings. It's been breaking on me every time.
Where can you find this at?
But Key West, eh?
YouTube.com.
Come on, Steve, you can do it. I'm right there. Look, I'm right there. There. You almost had me. Oh, come on, Steve. Come on, Steve, I'm right there. Look, look, look. I'll slow down for you. There you go. Oh, you gave up too easily. Yeah, right. 3 inches off the ground. Forgive me. I know not what I do. Damn it. I missed. Holy cow!
I think that was a tail strike.
Holy cow.
Wait, but do it closer so we can see it. Again, I can't see it. No, his friend of his.